I'm Mr. S and I'm a primary school teacher here to help you with some of the tricky things in school. Now, do you want to know the secret to making your writing sound professional and exciting? It's all about where and how you start your sentences. Today I'm showing you the fronted adverbial, the ultimate writing power move that's going to impress your teacher, boost your marks, and make people really visualize what you're writing about. So let's get started and see how it's done. Now, a fronted adverbial is just a word or a phrase that sits, you guessed it, at the front of the sentence. Its job is to give us more detail about the action, the verb. Fronted adverbials answer some key questions about what's happening in your story. When did it happen? Where did it happen? How did it happen? And why did it happen? Or under what circumstances did it happen? And then you're going to need to remember the golden rule. After your fronted adverbial, you must be able to put a comma there. No comma, no points. Let's take the boring sentence here of I went for a run. If I want to tell the reader when I went for a run, I could say just before sunrise, I went for a run. That would work. Or how about I want to tell them where? Through the park, I went for a run. If I'm saying how I went for the run, with shaky legs, absolutely. And what about if I wanted to say why I was going for a run? To try and work off that pizza. Absolutely. To try and work off that pizza, I went for a run. I've always needed to have the comma here. So I've got my fronted adverbial telling me when, where, how, or why. I've got a comma, and then I've got my main clause here, the boring sentence, let's call it. Now, do you see how much more visual it sounds using one of these when, where, how, or why before the sentence? You're telling the reader the extra information first. Now it's going to be your turn to be the author. I've put 4 sentences on the screen over here. I want you to pause the video and pick a fronted adverbial from the left-hand side that answers the question in blue over here. So you need to look for the dragon roared, tell me when the dragon roared. The treasure was hidden, tell me where the treasure was hidden. She opened the door, tell me how, and she won the race, tell me why. Match up our fronted adverbials with the sentences here. I'm going to give you a few seconds here to pause the video and try to match them up. Don't forget the commas. 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. Now I'm going to match them together with you. So, first, the dragon roared. When did the dragon roar? Suddenly. That tells me when. The treasure was hidden. Where? In the dark cave. She opened the door. Tell me how? Carefully she opened the door. And she won the race. Why? Motivated by the crowd. I hope you got all 4 of those right. And I'll now leave on the screen some examples I've written down as just some personal favourites to help you get started and to get those creative juices flowing. If I've helped you at all, then please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Best of luck and enjoy making your writing more visual with fronted adverbials.